Okay, this is the second fuse box in a new Holland skid steer L223, and then over here, here's the functions. So what do we get? Some brake lamps and handle multifunction, functionality, parking brake, proportional auxiliary position, 2-speed position, multifunction key power, wiper, auxiliary, boom signals. What else? Pump forward positions, loader, all sorts of different definitions here. But hopefully some of this information could be helpful to the folks that are having any fuse issues. Please like, share, and subscribe.